Hello, my name is Marcos Bustillo Ramirez and I am the Arts and Design teacher in the Colegio Menesiano de Santo Domingo de la Calzada. This is a video for my students in 3rd of ESO in which I am going to show you how to use the software Sketchup Make. As you remember, I told you to download this software and to install it in your computers. Once you have done that, we can start the application. And the first thing that we have to do is to select a template to work with. In this case, we are going to draw a house, so the most appropriate template will be this one that uses meters as units. So when we have selected it, we can start using SketchUp. Okay, in first place, we will find a landscape and a toolbar. In the landscape, I can see three color lines. This is the blue axis, this is the green axis, and this is the red axis. They are similar to those that we used when we were drawing in axonometric perspective. I'm going to erase with this tool, which is called the eraser tool. This guy, I am not going to need him. And then I'm going to select the orbit tool, this one, to center these three axes. I can use this tool too. This is the pan tool, orbit tool, pan tool. Okay, and now we can start drawing. I'm going to select the line tool, which allows me to draw straight lines. In this case, I'm going to draw a line from the origin point, which is here, the direction of the green axis. I'm going to click in the origin and then I'm going to type here the length of the line that I am about to draw. In this case, I want a line that will be 6 meters long, and then I press enter. This line has a measure of 6 meters. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. Note that this line is in color blue, so I can be sure that this line will be parallel to the blue axis. This vertical line, will be 4 meters long. So I type 4 and then I press enter. And then I'm going back to the blue axis with this green line, which is parallel to the green axis, okay? Like this. And then I will close this rectangle. When you close a shape, the application fills it with a material. In this case, this white material, which is opaque. I cannot see through it. I cannot see the horizon line behind it. Okay. And now I'm going to start building a three-dimensional shape. For it, I'm going to use the push and pull tool, which allows me to push in this direction or pull in this one. I'm going to pull a distance. Remember that you have here distances and lengths and other measures. I'm going to pull in this direction a distance of 3 meters. So I type 3, then I press enter. Now I have this block which is drawn in 3 dimensions. Well, now let's work with this tool. This is the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw a rectangle in this face that will be a door in my house. Okay, if I push this area in this direction, I have drawn a door. Okay, what about building a roof on this surface? Let's look for the midpoint of this edge. This is an edge. The midpoint is here, an upright line that will be 1 meter long, like this. I'm going to orbit so that you can see this line. And I'm going to do the same action in this edge, like this. Now I'm going to join this end point with this corner and with this corner. And I'm going to do the same action here. And I will join these two end points. Okay, this is the roof of my house. Now I'm going to erase these 3 stray marks because I'm not going to need them anymore. Okay, now I'm going to talk you about this tool. This is the zoom tool, and with it you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, zoom in, zoom out, just dragging your mouse. Okay, now let's build a wall and a yard around our house. I will draw a rectangle like this, and then another one here, and another one here, and here. And now I'm going to zoom in to erase this segment, this one, and this one. And then I'm going to press this new tool. This is the zoom extents that centers all your drawing in your window, in your screen. Okay, let's lift this surface to a height of 1 meter, like this. Okay, this is my house with its roof, its door, its yard, and the wall around the yard. Okay, well, these are the most important tools that you need to know to work with SketchUp Make. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you have any doubt, please ask me when we are at the classroom next day. Okay, well, that's all. Thank you very much for your attention, and goodbye.